Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your carrier and iPhone iOS support tethering, and you have an original or MFI Lightning to USB cable. Once done, plug the cable into the iPhone and the computer and unlock the phone. Now open Settings and enable Personal Hotspot. Set a strong password so only devices you trust connect. You do this first to establish authorization and negotiate network settings. Making these steps exact prevents connection failures later. Once the phone is unlocked and Personal Hotspot is on, trust the computer when the prompt appears. You must approve the pairing. On Mac OS, open Network Preferences and select iPhone USB. Apply settings if needed. On Windows, open Network Adapters. The iPhone shows as a network interface. If it does not appear, install or update iTunes and Apple mobile device drivers. Make sure the cable is seated and not in a USB hub. Direct ports are more reliable for power and data negotiation. You finish by testing the connection. Browse a site or run a simple speed test to confirm internet access. If there's no traffic, disconnect and reconnect the cable or toggle Personal Hotspot off and on. If the link still fails, reboot both devices and try another USB port or cable. Many issues are physical. A key troubleshooting tip: reset network settings on the iPhone only if necessary. This clears saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, but often resolves stubborn tethering configuration conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.